And the second model, this gloves is certified EN3A1-7 Class 1. The speed is 20 meters per second, and EN3AA result is 3122x, and passes the EN420 2003-A1 2009 test. And for palm, we use black synthetic leather with reinforcement for better abrasion resistance, and EVA padded with rope channel in the palm. And for back, we use red spandex and with black synthetic leather reinforcement on the knuckle part for better protection for your knuckle. And spandex is very stretchable and breathable, offers good dexterity. And within the left hand, there are 16 layers of special protective material, protect your hand from running chainsaw, making the gloves more strong for chainsaw protection. And for cuffs, we use black elastic and with Velcro on back for more secure fitting.